In today's fast-paced world, productivity reigns supreme. Every second counts and every task demands our immediate attention. The pressure to perform and deliver is higher than ever before. We are bombarded with distractions. Deadlines loom large. Notifications, emails, and meetings constantly vie for our attention, making it difficult to stay focused on what truly matters. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. The sheer volume of tasks can be paralyzing, leading to stress and burnout. Many of us struggle to find a balance between work and personal life. What if there was a tool to help you regain control? A tool that could streamline your tasks, prioritize your to-do list, and help you focus on what truly matters. DreamTrack AI is that tool. It's not just another app, it's a revolutionary approach to productivity. It's your secret weapon in the battle for focus and efficiency. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands your work habits and helps you stay on track. This isn't just another productivity app, it's a game changer that leverages cutting-edge technology to enhance your workflow. DreamTrack AI is different. Unlike traditional tools, it adapts to your unique needs and preferences, offering a personalized experience. It uses the power of artificial intelligence to understand your work habits. By analyzing your behavior, it can provide insights and recommendations tailored specifically to you. It learns your patterns and predicts your needs. Over time, it becomes more intuitive, helping you stay ahead of your tasks and deadlines. Imagine a world where your to-do list prioritizes itself. No more manual sorting or guessing what to tackle next. DreamTrack AI does the heavy lifting for you. Picture a future where you're always one step ahead. With DreamTrack AI, you can anticipate challenges and prepare for them in advance. That's the promise of DreamTrack AI. It's designed to transform the way you work, making you more efficient and effective. This article will be your guide. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about DreamTrack AI. We'll explore the core features of DreamTrack AI. From task management to real-time analytics, you'll discover how this tool can revolutionize your productivity. You'll learn how to set it up and customize it for your needs. Whether you're a freelancer, a manager, or a student, DreamTrack AI can be tailored to fit your unique workflow. We'll dive deep into its powerful analytics and real-time feedback, understand how your time is spent, and identify areas for improvement. You'll see how it stacks up against the competition. Discover why DreamTrack AI stands out in a crowded market of productivity tools. Most importantly, you'll discover how DreamTrack AI can transform your daily life. From reducing stress to increasing efficiency, the benefits are endless. Get ready to unlock your true productivity potential. With DreamTrack AI, the future of work is here, and it's more exciting than ever. DreamTrack AI is more than just an app. It's a revolutionary tool designed to transform the way you work and manage your time. It's your personal productivity assistant, powered by cutting-edge technology that adapts to your unique needs and preferences. At its core, DreamTrack AI leverages advanced algorithms to analyze your work patterns. These algorithms are designed to understand the nuances of your daily routines. It identifies your peak performance times, ensuring you know exactly when you're at your most productive. It recognizes your most common distractions, helping you to minimize interruptions and stay focused on what truly matters. It even learns how your energy levels fluctuate throughout the day, providing insights on when to tackle the most demanding tasks. But DreamTrack AI doesn't stop at observation. It goes beyond just collecting data. It uses this gathered data to provide actionable insights, offering you practical advice on how to optimize your workflow. It helps you structure your day for maximum output, ensuring that every minute is used effectively. It suggests optimal times for focused work, meetings, and breaks, so you can maintain a balanced and productive schedule. It even helps you block out distractions so you can reach a state of deep, focused work, allowing you to achieve more in less time. Imagine having a tool that understands your work style better than you do. DreamTrack AI adapts to your preferences, making it a truly personalized assistant. DreamTrack AI takes the guesswork out of productivity. It streamlines your processes, making your work more efficient and less stressful. It empowers you to work smarter, not harder. By leveraging the power of AI, you can enhance your work strategies and achieve your goals with greater ease. It's time to ditch the outdated to-do lists and embrace a smarter way to work. With DreamTrack AI, you can revolutionize your productivity and take control of your time like never before. Picture yourself effortlessly managing your tasks, knowing exactly what to do and when to do it. DreamTrack AI makes this a reality. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, DreamTrack AI enhances collaboration by ensuring everyone is on the same page. Achieve a better work-life balance by optimizing your work hours and freeing up more time for what you love. Never miss a deadline again with timely reminders and notifications that keep you on track. End your day feeling accomplished and satisfied, knowing that you've made the most of your time with the help of DreamTrack AI. Transform your productivity with DreamTrack AI. It's not just an app, it's your partner in achieving excellence. Getting started with DreamTrack AI is a breeze. The intuitive interface guides you through a simple setup process, tailoring the experience to your specific needs. First, you'll create an account and provide some basic information about your work habits. This includes your typical work hours, preferred work environment, and common distractions. Next, you'll connect DreamTrack AI to your existing productivity tools. This might include your calendar, email, project management software, and even your web browser. This integration is key. It allows DreamTrack AI to gather comprehensive data about your workday and provide truly personalized insights. Finally, you'll customize your notification preferences. DreamTrack AI can provide gentle reminders throughout the day to help you stay on track. It can alert you to potential distractions or suggest optimal times for breaks. You're in control, choosing the level of guidance that best suits your work style. The true power of DreamTrack AI lies in its predictive analytics. This advanced technology leverages vast amounts of data to understand your unique patterns and preferences. By doing so, it can make highly accurate predictions about your future needs and behaviors. By analyzing your historical data, DreamTrack AI can anticipate your needs and optimize your schedule accordingly. It takes into account not just your past activities but also your habits, preferences, and even external factors like weather or upcoming events. Imagine starting your day with a clear understanding of your most important tasks. No more guesswork or uncertainty. DreamTrack AI provides you with a prioritized list of tasks, ensuring that you focus on what truly matters. DreamTrack AI does just that. It uses sophisticated algorithms to rank your tasks based on various criteria, such as deadlines, importance, and your personal productivity patterns. It prioritizes your to-do list based on deadlines, importance, and even your predicted energy levels. This means that you can tackle the most demanding tasks when you're at your peak and save less critical tasks for when your energy dips. But it goes beyond simple task management. DreamTrack AI is designed to be a comprehensive productivity tool that adapts to your evolving needs. DreamTrack AI can also identify hidden patterns in your work habits. It learns from your daily routines and uncovers insights that you might not even be aware of. For example, it might notice that you're most productive on Tuesday mornings, or that you tend to get sidetracked after lunch. These insights are invaluable for optimizing your workday. Armed with this knowledge, DreamTrack AI can suggest optimal times for focused work, meetings, and creative brainstorming sessions. It helps you align your tasks with your natural rhythms, ensuring maximum efficiency. Think of DreamTrack AI as your personal productivity strategist. It's like having a dedicated assistant who knows exactly how to help you achieve your goals. It empowers you to work proactively, anticipating challenges and maximizing your output. With DreamTrack AI, you're always one step ahead, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Say goodbye to reactive scrambling and hello to a workday that flows smoothly and efficiently. DreamTrack AI ensures that you spend less time managing your tasks and more time accomplishing them. Additionally, DreamTrack AI seamlessly integrates with your calendar and reminders, providing a unified platform for all your productivity needs. It sends you timely notifications and reminders so you never miss a deadline or an important meeting. The system is also highly adaptive. It learns from your feedback and continuously fine-tunes its recommendations to better suit your preferences. Over time, it becomes more attuned to your unique working style. You can interact with DreamTrack AI through voice commands, making it incredibly convenient to use. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, you can easily update your schedule, add new tasks, or get insights on your productivity. DreamTrack AI also provides detailed insights and analytics on your productivity. You can review your performance over time, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your achievements. With DreamTrack AI, you can achieve a sense of accomplishment and reduce stress. It helps you stay organized, focused, and in control of your workday. As your needs evolve, so does DreamTrack AI. It's designed to grow with you, continually enhancing its capabilities to support your productivity journey. The future of personal productivity is here, and it's powered by DreamTrack AI. Embrace the technology that anticipates your needs and optimizes your day, so you can achieve more with less effort. DreamTrack AI isn't just a passive observer. It acts as your personal productivity coach, providing real-time feedback and guidance throughout your day. Imagine having a trusted advisor nudging you in the right direction, helping you stay focused and avoid distractions. As you work, DreamTrack AI monitors your activity and provides subtle cues to keep you on track. If you start to stray towards time-wasting websites, DreamTrack AI can gently redirect you back to your task. If it notices your focus waning, it might suggest a short break or a quick meditation exercise. This real-time feedback loop is invaluable for building sustainable productivity habits. It helps you become more aware of your work patterns, both the good and the bad. With DreamTrack AI by your side, you're constantly learning and improving, developing the skills needed to thrive in today's demanding work environment.